To remove dead leaves, that's something I have this saying, if it's yellow, wilted, or brown, it cannot hang around. And there's a reason for that. So you can either pull your pod and simply pinch with your fingers or sharp shears the leaf and the stem all the way to the base of the main plant. If you remove the leaf only, that stem is gonna die and you're gonna eventually have to remove it as well. So save yourself some time, remove the leaf and the stem all the way to the main base. The reason why you wanna make sure you're maintaining your plants in that manner, any brown or dead leaves is a magnet or attraction for pests and also for disease or bacteria. So it will hang around and cause other leaves to die if it's laying on top of some sort, because they also are absorbing energy that can be used in other parts of the plant.
For more videos on how to use your GrowBlock and maximize the impact of your monthly grow box, subscribe on YouTube or visit us online at produceforall.com.